Picture this, mate. A flavor so wild, so unexpected, it's like stumbling upon a culinary pot of gold. The deep, rich deliciousness of chocolate, all tangled up with the cool, zingy freshness of mint. Or how about this, the cheeky, peppery punch of arugula, suddenly bursting with the electrifying zap of fresh wasabi. For ages, these combos felt like pure fantasy, only found in fancy restaurants, yeah? But what if I told you, in 2026, these amazing flavors aren't just for those fancy pants chefs? What if your own backyard, balcony, or even your windowsill could pump out these incredible combos? Get ready for the future of home gardening, where the rare and awesome take center stage, whipping up flavor fireworks you never thought possible. This is the 2026 twist for every gardener. Why is this so cool right now? Because the food scene's changing, and our gardens are getting in on the action. In 2026, there's a massive wave of exotic edibles. Home gardeners, especially the legends over 45, are hunting down unique, flavorful plants that'll seriously upgrade their cooking and tickle their taste buds. We're moving past boring basil and rosemary, craving something way more awesome. This isn't just about growing grub, it's about a culinary adventure, showing off your personality, and getting back to our food's roots. Gardeners are itching for something new, plants that pack a unique flavor and a rad story. It's about turning your garden into a flavor explosion, where every harvest is a brand new discovery. First, let's crack the code of chocolate mint. It's scientifically known as Mentha x Piperita f Citrata chocolate, but it's not some crazy science experiment. It's a super cool version of classic peppermint, hand-picked for its amazing scent. Some folks argue about whether the chocolate is in the taste or just the awesome smell, but it totally gives off a warm, sweet vibe that reminds you of after-dinner treats. Now, onto Wasabi Arugula. This isn't a mashup of real Japanese wasabi and regular arugula, like you might think. Instead, it's a special type of wild arugula, Diplotaxis erucoides. But here's the magic, its leaves genuinely nail that complex, spicy, and nose-clearing blast of freshly grated wasabi paste. Wasabi arugula is a tough cookie and pretty easy to grow, part of the mustard crew. It loves cooler weather, perfect for spring and fall planting, although it can get a bit stressed in the summer heat. The awesome lobed leaves are best picked young for that strong, peppery kick, but even the tiny white flowers are edible, adding a delicate spice to your meals. These plants, whether they're naturally occurring superstars or carefully chosen varieties, prove one thing: observation and selection are where it's at. Home gardeners are getting more involved in plant breeding, not just for the biggest harvest, but for unique flavors and shapes. It's about spotting that tiny difference, that special trait, and making it thrive. In 2026, your garden's not just a place to grow food, it's your own personal flavor lab. These rare edibles change the game, inspiring you to experiment, create, and personalize your food like never before. Picture fresh pesto with a wasabi kick, or a dessert that's infused with amazing chocolate mint notes. So, when you're planning your next garden, get ready to be amazed. Jump into the 2026 twist and explore the awesome world of rare and unusual edibles. Chocolate mint and wasabi arugula are just the beginning. Turn your backyard into a gourmet paradise, and feel the pure joy of growing flavors that'll truly blow your mind.